your girl Chrissy Rich, and so this vlog is definitely gonna be about me getting ready for Jamaica. Now I'm super excited for this trip because I haven't been to Jamaica in like years. Like since I joined the Navy, I haven't been to Jamaica. Jamaica is home for me, okay? So that's my heart right there. So right now you're gonna see like clips of me packing, getting ready. A lot of my clothes, my outfits that I got together for this trip was Shein, because Shein was kind of a last minute thing. It helped me out a lot. Got a little cute outfits here and there. Some of them are Fashion Nova, but it's mainly Shein, and we're gonna get into that. But you know, it's all about fits for me, okay? I gotta look good. But anybody who knows Jamaica, you can't really be like flossing out there because they're gonna think you got money, and then you know what I'm saying, then they're gonna like try to teeth from you. All right, and I want that. So with that being said, yeah, we gonna keep it classy and giving what is it giving? It's giving bad gal, but not too bad, because then they're gonna think I have money, and I want that. So yes, that's what I'm doing right now. So let's just roll into the clips, because so you can see exactly the outfits I'm working with. Actually, I'm gonna show you right here. All right here, right? What I'm working with. So you'll see like a little clip right here of I'm like basically laid out everything out, all my outfits out with the help of my best friend, because I was like having like a brain fart on what to match what with, and shoes and purses and stuff like that. So I kind of put originally what I wanted to wear, and then whatever like little help I needed, like probably I was missing a purse or whatever, my best friend helped me with that. So you can see that right there recently. And then yeah, it's just honestly this video is just mainly for getting ready for Jamaica. And then I guess I could tell you now, but the next video next week is gonna show my trip in Jamaica, okay? Because it's gonna be lit. Now granted, I'm probably like, let me just explain this. I'm always the youngest in the group, you know, and it's okay because I'm used to hanging out with older people. That's fine, as long as I enjoy myself. That's all that matters to me. But I'm gonna turn that bitch. I'm gonna turn that bitch. I ain't in a minute, baby. I'm gonna act up. I'm gonna act up. Let me stop. But seriously, ignore my poof. I'm supposed to deep condition in a little bit right now anyways. But yeah, this is the whole process. So I'm contemplating about doing my own feet, because you guys know I have my business. So Rich Bliss, go ahead, follow it now, period. And yeah, so I'm thinking about doing my own feet. And of course I'm gonna do my own nails. But actually, I've been going back and forth, not sure if I want to do my gel X like I usually do, or just make like a few press-ons for the trip. Because again, I make custom press-ons. Rich Bliss, check it out. Go ahead and order now. Hello, because I got you, sis. Okay? But yeah, so I think I might do that so I can have options, because I love to have options. So that's what I might do. Yeah, I feel like I'm leaning towards that. Yeah. But right now, this room looks a mess. Yeah, this room looks a mess. So I'm trying to get it together, like clean up the room, as well as put everything in my suitcase that I need, and also make the press-ons. And then also I have to figure out my hair. I bought a wig to get installed, but I'm contemplating if my wig installer is going to have time to do it. Like it's really last minute. If she doesn't, I'm just gonna do it myself, because I've done it before and didn't look bad at all. So I'm learning. So okay. I hear my curls falling on and shit. But yeah, that's the plan. So we're gonna work that out. So let's get into it. Jamaica. Okay. So I'm packing, and first of all, ignore some fact. We working on this. We working on it. But I feel like you can never have too many bathing suits. You know, like. You can never have too many bathing suits. So I have a few here, you know, and I feel like, okay, I could show y'all all the outfits, because I pretty much showed you from the clip when we spreading everything out on the bed, but I don't want to show y'all everything, because then like when y'all see the Jamaica video, it's kind of like, oh, we already seen that. Like, pause for effect, okay? Period. So I'm gonna give you a little snippet. Like, doop, that's the pattern with that. I got me a little brown one. Mix it up, and I got me some ones for when I do the ATV. Well, all you can see, I'm about to do something. I don't end up doing it or whatever. So we gonna try to do it. We gonna see how that go. I got my little suits for that, and yeah, the rest is to come. But I got a whole bunch, so right in the suitcase. So that's that. So now it's just a matter of, let me clean up the rest of it. I feel like I'm disorganized. Let me clean up the rest of this room and get back to you. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done with like running errands for today, for last minute stuff that I need, at least until tomorrow, I think, if something comes to mind. But for right now, I just got back from Target, and also I got back from post office. I got my wig because baby, my hair has to look for Jamaica. Okay. So with that being said, also one more thing too, I kind of got lazy, not really, okay, sort of, but these 2 items that I was looking for, I couldn't find them. I tried to look for whatever store, different CVS's, all that stuff like that. I couldn't find it because my best friend put me onto like this bug repellent that's supposed to be like really, really good. But I couldn't find it, so I used Instacart, very first time. So they should be here soon, but come to find out, it was the wrong item because she wasn't like getting back to me in time. So she finally got back to me. So I'm like, crap, okay, I can't get that. But what she showed me with the right one is basically it's not going to come here in time. So I'm just going to have to wing with other stuff to like just do the basic generic brand for, sorry, I got distracted. But yeah, basic generic brand for bug repellent. Because baby, one thing you know about me, I don't do the bugs. No bugs. So yeah, and then another too, I needed to get the film for my Polaroid camera. So that's being delivered to me as well right now. So now we about to go back. We're gonna go upstairs and put all the stuff in a suitcase, like my carry-on and stuff like that. Get that together because I procrastinate. So I might as well, if I don't do it now, I ain't gonna do it later. So let's just go ahead and do that. Hey guys, so it's another day, as you can see. And again, it's just another day closer to the day of Jamaica. So yeah, so I'm running errands this morning. I need to sleep in a little bit because baby, I'm tired. Like my sleep schedule's catching up to me. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna just use that as an excuse, whatever. But yeah, so right now I'm headed to my laser appointment because you know I don't do the hair, baby. I don't do the hair. Okay. And then after that, I'm getting my hair braided down because sis just decided like, hey, why don't I just do my hair myself? But you know I can't braid. Feel me? I'm gonna get there someday. But yeah, so I'm gonna get my hair braided down, and then I'm gonna lay this wig down. And I have my wig installer usually, but I'm trying to save a little money. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm gonna keep it real. Save a little money for this trip. So it's gonna look good though. Okay, it's gonna look good. That's all that matters. So with that being said, yeah, we're gonna go to get a laser right now, get hair braided, and then I definitely need, baby, these feet needs to get done. I think that's it. I think that's all I need to do. I gotta return some stuff, whatever, at the store, but that's nothing. Lose my voice. But yeah, that's pretty much like the gist of like the errands that I need to run today. And after that, I'm just kind of chilling. I know tomorrow, again, this whole like getting ready for Jamaica is like over a span of 3 days, because I have 3 days off before I go to Jamaica. So if you know you see my clothes different and stuff like that, obviously it's over a span of 3 days. But yeah, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do a little date with Bae because you know he ain't gonna see me for a whole week. A little bit over a week actually. So yeah, I'm excited for our date because I actually put together this date. So cool point to me. Okay, look, women, we gotta We got a romance and court I'm in too. Hello. Okay? Don't forget that. Because they put in work, so we got to put in work too. But with that being said, yeah, I'm on my way to LaserAway right now. And again, like I've been stating before in my videos, I'm definitely going to do a video on my experience when I'm done with everything. I'll probably show some pictures or just talk about it. But laser hair removal been the best thing I could ever ask for. Just saying. Hint, hint. Go ahead and do that, sis. So, yeah. Yeah, I love them. So as you can see, it's the next day. Ignore my lisping because I got my teeth whitening stuff in. Okay. So let me tell you, this right here, my package came mad quick. Ruby, you doing it, and you will keep on doing it, okay? Because I needed this package for tomorrow, because I'm going to Jamaica tomorrow. I was like, dang, I need this for the sun. Like, my junk need to be glowing, like, shimmering, like, giving hella melanin, okay? And Ruby, you got my package to me on time. I did 1 day shipping, of course. Baby. It's the glow for me. So when you see me loading my pics for Instagram, it's a wrap, okay? Period. I cannot, Brie, I'm represent for you. Because, baby, this, you see this? You see this? You see the Fenty? I know y'all see that. We better be lit. Okay. Let me stop being extra, like more extra ass. And I'm gonna walk the dog, but I had to show y'all that because everything is just coming together for my trip, and I'm so excited. I'm like literally jumping for joy right now, but I'm gonna stop being extra so you guys can see that. But yeah, Rosie's kind of acting up right now because she want to go walk, but I just got the package, so you know how to show you before I go walk. We lit. Okay, that's it. That's all I got. You gonna say goodbye to me? Here. Oh my gosh, thank you, mamas. I'm gonna miss you. I love you. Aww. I love you. Yes. Okay. Alrighty. It's a little heavy because all the food is in there. Oh, you get the big strap, yeah. And then. She's talking. See you later, Rosie Pussy. I know. Bye, guys.